So in this video I'll show you how to operate your Thetford duplex oven. There are two different options here. One is to light up the actual oven and the other one is to light up the grill. This one is the oven, that one is the grill. If you want to light up the oven for cooking, you need to press this knob, turn it anti-clockwise and press the igniter. Keep it pressed for a few more seconds. As you can see, it already lit up, and if you slowly release it, it should stay like that. Once this is done, you can close the door and start cooking. It's extremely important to make sure that there is good ventilation if you use any of the open fire gas appliances, which means hob and oven. So make sure that the door is open or the windows are open on both sides. To light up the grill, you need to press the knob, turn it clockwise until it stops, and press the igniter, and you can let it go, the igniter. Keep the knob pressed for a few more seconds, and if you let it go, you should see the flame up there. And there is one very important thing here. You won't be able to close the door fully. You can close the door up to this point, and then you can just do the grill. If you close the door fully, the grill light will go off.